Welcome to San Lorenzo in Campo, where Fontana and their team are busy designing and engineering some of the best ovens on the market. Using modern technology and modern laser cutting machines, they are able to expedite the process of cutting and welding while maintaining their artisan made by hand culture. Every single oven is meticulously looked over by a Fontana employee. The joints are solid welded together. They are assembled in a way that will last a lifetime. Fontana was the first ones to bring a portable metal oven to the market, and the original ovens are still functional to this day. That speaks to that durability that we spoke of. The Fontana factory is not just a large assembly line to push out tons of product quickly. They take their time making sure that every bend is made properly. And this is the same for our entry-level ovens all the way up to our most luxurious of our ovens. We make a product with quality that's built to last a lifetime. Bending metal is one thing, but using the proper tools to be able to get the exact bend at the exact right place is paramount. You want your oven to fit together perfectly, and Fontana assures that it does. But the ovens aren't just bent and welded together, they are completely and totally encapsulated in insulation. Every single nook and cranny is jam-packed with insulation across the top, front, back, and underneath, so that we can truly say that we have an industry-leading 1-inch clearance to combustibles. This means it's safe for you, it's safe for your home, it's safe for your family. Every oven is packaged with care, from Italy to our warehouses in North America and directly to your door. When you get a Fontana oven, you are buying history. You're buying quality. You're buying longevity and a way of living that will enhance your life. Buy with confidence. Buy quality. Join the Fontana family.